Okay, so here we see up there on that left corner of the RAV4 there where the pointer is, there is an indentation there. Looks like a discoloring or the paint has been revealed with a kind of dark spot in the middle. It looks very much like a bullet hole and or something very significant there that has done something to the paint. I mean, it looks very much like there's an indentation there. So just showing you this, but this is kind of far away, so now I'm going to show you a little bit closer up so that you can see it a little more, bigger. Okay, so now here it is a bit closer up, and you can see that a little bit clearer, that it looks like some of the paint got taken off a little bit, like some gray spots there where the metal is exposed, and then a black area where it looks like it, I don't know, almost like maybe like something penetrated and even maybe caused a little bit of tearing off to the left side a little bit, in between those two silver spots, or those two what look like bare metal spots. So some kind of minor damage it looks like there, definitely. I mean, it looks like there's an indentation. I mean, there's clearly something going on right there. So the thing is about it is that I'm about to show you another picture here, and once again, once we get back to the crime lab, we see something completely different. And it's unreal. I can't believe it, but we'll go ahead and move on to that now so you can see that there's clearly something strange going on with this RAV4, because it doesn't seem to have consistency from one place to the next, so anyway, we'll move into that right now. Okay, so now we move to the picture of it at the crime lab here. You look at where the mouse is circling, right? That's where we saw a problem in the previous two pictures. Something was there, looked like something had torn through the metal, clearly. But now, instead of seeing that, all we see is this strange little kind of discolored X where that spot should be. I don't know if you guys noticed that. If you need to get closer to the screen and really look, there's like a discoloration. There's like an X. Okay, so while everybody is now pondering where in the heck that potential bullet hole went, we'll move on to this bit here. You see that little tag on the window there, that little label on the window there? This is in the crime lab photo. I noticed this when I was going through these photos. Right directly above the R. You notice that there, drawing that straight line there. So it's right directly above the R in the RAV4. There should be a window, a label on that window. You should be able to see some kind of writing or whatever that the window company puts on the window to mark it or whatever. So now we're going to go ahead and move on to a different picture. Okay, so now here we are close up, and you can see that directly above that R, there's nothing on that window. There's no marking on that window. I don't see any reason why it wouldn't be visible. It's like white writing or whatever in a tinted window, so it would seem to me that it would stand out, but it's clearly doesn't look like it's there. So adding more suspicion to this whole thing of what is going on with this RAV4, because it seems to have so many inconsistencies going from spot to spot, going from here to the crime lab. Just quickly showing one more time here that label on the window here at the crime lab. It's clearly there. So, let the explanations abound as to why we don't see it in the other picture. Because like I said, look at it, it's clearly white writing on a tinted window. Should be able to see that. So, anyway, so that's it. Just wanted to briefly show that. Please, if you haven't already, hit subscribe, and have a nice day.